This video will show you how to perform a factory reset on the Samsung Galaxy S26 in a simple step-by-step way. A factory reset can help fix software issues, remove bugs, or prepare your phone if you are planning to sell or give it away. Before you begin, it is very important to make sure your personal data is safely backed up, because this process will permanently erase everything from your device, including photos, apps, contacts, and settings. First of all, open the Settings app on your Galaxy S26. Scroll down carefully and tap on General Management. Inside this menu, look for the Reset option and tap on it. Next, select Factory Data Reset. You will now see a list of all the data that will be erased from your phone. Take a moment to review it so you fully understand what will be removed. After reviewing, scroll down and tap the Reset button. The phone will ask you to confirm your identity by entering your screen lock, PIN, password, or pattern. Once entered correctly, tap on Delete All to confirm the process. Your device will now begin the reset process automatically. It may restart several times, and this is completely normal. After a few minutes, your Samsung Galaxy S26 will be restored to its original factory settings, just like when it was brand new. And that's it, your Samsung Galaxy S26 is now successfully factory reset. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.